Hello students, next reaction is Wittig reaction. In this reaction, aldehyde or ketone react with phosphorus halide to form alkene. Means reactant are aldehyde or ketone and reagent is phosphorus halide and product is alkene here. So, firstly we should know what is phosphorus halide. Let us see. Firstly, on the alkyl halide, triphenyl phosphorus lone pair will attack on the carbon and halogen and bond is transferred to the halogen. And formation of this type of species takes place RCH2 bond PPH3 positive X negative. Now, when we react it with butyl lithium, Li accept X negative and removal of LiX lithium halide, and butyl group accept the hydrogen and butane is removed, and the formation of RCH negative bond PPH3 positive or RCH double bond PPH3 means phosphorus halide. So now this phosphorus halide will react with aldehyde and ketone to form alkene. Reaction RCOR dash means ketone is taken here plus phosphorus halide PH3P double bond CHR and alkene forms plus phosphorus triphenyl phosphorus oxide is removed. Mechanism of the reaction. Firstly, phosphorus halide. In case of phosphorus halide, phosphorus is electropositive in respect to carbon. That's why bond is transferred to the carbon and phosphorus got the positive charge and carbon got the negative charge. Now this negative charge carbon attack on the carbonyl carbon and bond shifted to the oxygen. After that, this type of species formed and O negative attack on the P positive. I am repeating here the mechanism. Firstly, phosphorus halide, in case of phosphorus halide, phosphorus is electropositive and carbon is electronegative. So bond is shifted to the carbon and carbon got the negative charge and phosphorus got the positive charge. Now the negative charge carbon will attack on the carbonyl carbon of the ketone and bond shifted to the oxygen, and this type of species is formed. And then O negative will attack on the P positive and bond is formed between the oxygen and the phosphorus. Let us see this cyclic structure. And this type of cyclic structure is formed. This type of cyclic structure is formed. Now this bond is shifted to here and carbon and oxygen bond is broken, and this bond is shifted to here and carbon and phosphorus bond is also broken. So alkene is formed and triphenyl phosphorus oxide is formed. Thank you.